us to the form y is 5 plus a square root of x. Round a to 2 decimals where necessary. How to do this is in the theory B on the previous page in your textbook, so on page 25. But I'll explain it in this video as well. As you can see, you need to simplify it to this form. So the 5 in the formula, here is also everywhere 5, so this 5 can stay. But the difference is in the square root, a square root of x. And here you see something else as well in the square root. So here's a 10, here's 0.2, and here's 0.25. And those numbers, well, they have to disappear. Normally, when it says simplify, you can't use your calculator. Or yeah, you can, but you can't calculate the square root. But in this case, when it says round a to 2 decimals where necessary, then it is allowed to use your calculator. Well, how to do it? When we have exercise A, and write down the exercise always in your notebook. Y is 5 plus the square root of 10x. As you know, you can write the square root of 10x as the square root of 10 times the square root of x. And when we calculate the square root of 10, then we have actually already the number a. So the square root of 10 is equal to 3.16, round this to 2 decimals. So you get 5 plus 3.16 square root of x. And now you have the form 5 plus a square root of x, because the a is then 3.16. In exercise B it works the same. Y is 5 plus 3 square root of 0.2x. You can write this like 5 plus 3 square root of 0.2 times the square root of x. And then you only need to calculate the square root of 0.2. That means you get this 3 times the result of the square root of 0.2 in 2 decimals is 0.45 times the square root of x. And then the last thing you do is 3 times 0.45 is equal to 5 plus 1.35 square root of x. Exercise C works the same as exercise B, so I don't think it's necessary